Hey YouTube, it's Saurabh here. Welcome to Model with Me series. And in this video, we'll be creating these cute isometric objects. So we'll start with the house. First, I'll just show you how to model each and every object. And then we'll create a material palette for this color scheme. And then I'll show you how to apply it. You can go ahead and apply for everything else. And then I'll show you how to make these outlines for the objects. And then finally, using geometry nodes, we'll create these spear points. So all of this will be shown on just one object. You just have to repeat it for the others. So let's get started. Okay. Yeah, there you go. House is done. And we have all the parts we need for this. So that's object one. Awesome. And that's our second building done. So let's press tab again, select this. This is one piece. And then let's rename it to object 2 and hide it. just have a second look, and there you go. That's your third object. And that's it, your chair is done. So select both, Ctrl J to join them, and now you can rename them. Select all your objects, Ctrl J, and your lampshade is done. You need. And this is your tree done. never made a more beautiful car than this. And the last is a trash can, just like me. Right guys, now I'm going to show you how to make a color palette. Open up your browser, go to imagecolorpicker.com and drag in your color picker into this website. It should create a color palette for you. And here is an image, and I created my own color palette in the image itself. And there you go. You can now select any color you want, and your hex code is right here. Now press Z, go to material preview, and I'll just show you how to add simple materials. So select your object, click here on the materials, add new, and now you can start adding your materials. I'm just going to call this 1, and now I'm just going to come to this image, select this purple, and there you go. It selects it for me, or maybe you can just select whatever purple you want over here from this color palette. Now you can select your color, and there you go. Copy your hex code. Once you come back into Blender, click on base color and just set this color, and there you go. You have it. Now if you want to adjust this, you can. So I'm just going to make it more lighter. Now I'm going to come back to the color picker and select this color here and select hex code. Go back into Blender and go into my face selection mode. I'm just going to deselect these triangle faces. Selected. I'm just going to hit plus here, add new, rename this to 2, set the color to that. So just paste your value here and then hit assign, and there you go. It's done. And now for the last color as well, select faces. I'm going to select all the faces over here. Press plus, new, rename this to 3, give it the color and assign it. Looks like it did not take the black color. Let me try it again. And there you go. The black is applied. Now that you know how to add materials, very simple, you can go ahead and apply materials for all the 9 objects I showed you. Do it the exact same way I did it for this trash can. Perfect. Now that that's complete, I'm going to show you how to add outlines to your object. This is the part where you really need to have your topology at least to follow this. And because we have followed that, let's start selecting the edges where there is an outline. So you can see that these 2 edges on the top have an outline. These edges have an outline as well. These corner edges also have an outline, so I'm just going to select that. These corner edges also have an outline, so go ahead and select that. And then all the base as well. Make sure you double and triple check this step. Make sure all the edges you have selected do have an outline. Once you do, Shift D to duplicate this. And look at that, you duplicated your edges. Now just right click to bring them back into its place. Now what you do is press P and then by selection and go back to object mode. You will see that the object 9 which you created, this is the duplicated version of it. So if you move this, this is just the edges. You can rename this. So I'm just going to say 09 and then call it W for wireframe. Now that you have selected this object, go into object, go to convert into curve. Now this is a curve, so it has its own curve properties. So click on curve, resolution, I would like you to set this to 8, and now give it depth. And look at that. Just by increasing that, you literally give it an outline. So 0.01 is what I'm going to keep it. And this will be consistent with all the other outlines as well. Select your object now, go into Object, Convert, and convert it back to Mesh. And that's it. It's so simple to give outlines to your objects. I'm going to select a dark purple now, and then copy its hex code. Select the outline, go into Materials, and I'm going to call this Outline because this is the separate one. Go to Base Color and add it in, and there you go. You have an outline for your object. Go ahead and do this for all your 9 objects. Very simple, very straightforward. The last step is to add these spheres, and we will do this using geometry nodes. Go ahead and hide your wireframe for the timing and go into Edit mode. Go to Vertex Selection mode and select all the vertex you want to add a sphere to. So I'm just going to select these 3 over here, this here, and that should complete everything for this object. Now, same thing, Shift D and you will make a copy of your vertices. Right click to snap them back into its position, and then press P and by selection, and then go into object mode, and now you will have another one created here. Just please rename this so that you know exactly what you're working with. I'm just going to call it 09 and then dot. So every object will have its own dot, and that will be respective to that object. Now, how do we add spheres? Select your dot, go into add modifier, search for geometry nodes. Once you add a geometry node, add new to it. Drag a new window here, select geometry nodes here, which is geometry node editor, and there you go. You have your geometry nodes. I'm going to keep it very simple for you guys. It's going to be 3 steps maximum, I guess. So with your dot selected, you can see it's geometry node. Shift A, search for mesh 2 points, and then you should see this node. Select this and add it over here, and it should auto connect. Now Shift A to search, and then to find instance on points, which is next. It's right here, so I'm going to select this and then connect it right here. Now Shift A to search, and we want to search for spheres, so UV sphere right here. Take this node here, take the mesh node here and add it to instance. Once this is done, remember 32 here, 32 here as well to smooth it out, and radius can be controlled over here. So give it its radius, and I'm going to put it to 0.1 as well for this. So our wireframe is 0.1 and our spheres are 0.1. And the last, because these are all instances at the moment, Shift A, search for realize instance. Once you have this node, attach it over here, and all of this are now separate objects. You can now go ahead, select this, right click and shade smooth to shade it smooth. And now once you have done this, select the spheres, go into object, convert it into mesh, and you should see that your geometry node should completely go away and you have your spheres placed. Then you can select your dark material over here, and there you go. Go ahead and bring back your outline. I'm just adding a plane and increasing the size of it. Add a flow material and add that light purple to it. So basically I showed you how to add outlines, and then I showed you how to use geometry nodes to make these. Now the final step is the ISOCAM. Open up your browser and search for PR ISOCAM for Blender. Install the plugin, it's free, and then go to Edit, Preferences, and go ahead and install that plugin. Once you install it, it should now show up on your end menu. You should see it at the bottom here. All you have to do is hit Generate, and you can see it automatically creates an ISOCAM for you. Select your ISOCAM, go into its camera properties and make it fully black on the outside. Now you can play with your orthographic scale to align your object wherever you want. And if you want to move it, select your object and move it on the Z-axis to actually move it up and down. So I'm just going to center align this. And now this is how it looks in the rendered view. I'm just going to rotate my HDRI, and there you go. The lighting has changed. Render the image, and there you go. isometric, really simple icons, but we created it in 3D. I want you guys to go ahead and do this for all the objects, and here is the final render for all the objects done. And I really hope that you enjoyed this series and this tutorial. If you did, can you please like, subscribe and share? And I'm trying to get my channel monetized. I'm grinding and I'm doing my best. So if you guys could please share my channel with your friends, that would mean the world to me. And that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Saurav Vijeta signing off.